Hi Emma. It's nice to see you again.
Hi Jake. Nice to see you too. How have you been?
I've been pretty good. Just busy with work lately.
Really? What kind of work have you been doing?
Mostly project meetings and client calls. It's been a busy month.
That sounds exhausting.
Sometimes it is, but I enjoy staying productive. What about you?
I've been busy too. I've been taking an online course after work.
That's great. What are you studying?
I'm learning digital marketing.
Interesting. Why did you choose that?
I think it's a useful skill nowadays, and I want to improve my career opportunities.
That's a smart decision.
I hope so. The course is challenging, but I'm learning a lot.
How often do you study?
Usually 3 or 4 evenings a week.
That's impressive. It takes discipline to do that after work.
It does, but I try to stay focused on my goals.
Speaking of goals, do you have any plans for the future?
I'd like to work remotely one day and travel more.
That sounds amazing.
What about you?
I'd like to start my own business someday.
Really? What kind of business?
Maybe something related to technology or education.
That sounds exciting.
It's just an idea for now, but I'm slowly working on it.
Every big success starts with an idea.
That's true.
By the way, have you tried any new restaurants recently?
Actually, yes. I went to a new Italian restaurant last weekend.
Was it good?
It was excellent. The pasta was probably the best I've had in years.
Now you're making me hungry.
Sorry about that.
I'll forgive you if you tell me the name of the restaurant.
Deal. I'll send you the address later.
Perfect.
Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Sometimes. It depends on how much free time I have.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
I love making homemade pizza.
Really? I've never tried making pizza myself.
It's easier than most people think.
Maybe I should try it sometime.
You definitely should.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like meeting friends, reading books, and going for walks.
Sounds relaxing.
What about you?
I enjoy photography.
That's a great hobby.
I usually walk around the city and take pictures of interesting places.
Have you always liked photography?
Not really. I started a few years ago.
What inspired you?
I wanted a hobby that would help me notice more details around me.
That's a beautiful way to think about it.
Thanks.
Do you share your photos online?
Sometimes. I have a small social media page for them.
I'd love to see your work.
I'll show you later.
Great.
Have you watched any good movies recently?
Yes, I watched a comedy last week.
Was it funny?
Very funny. I laughed almost the entire time.
I could use a movie like that.
We all need something light and entertaining sometimes.
I agree.
Life can get stressful.
That's why it's important to find time to relax.
Absolutely.
Do you ever feel like there aren't enough hours in the day?
All the time.
Me too.
Sometimes I make a long to-do list and only finish half of it.
At least you finish half.
That's one way to look at it.
I try to focus on progress instead of perfection.
That's good advice.
Thanks.
Well, I should probably head home soon.
Me too. It was really nice catching up with you.
I enjoyed it as well.
Let's meet again sometime next week.
I'd like that.
Great. Have a wonderful evening.
You too, Jake. Take care.
See you soon.
See you.